Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Jerry, North Carolina on the Stryker SR-447hpc2. Jerry, we did all our mods to it: wideband transmit receive, cap upgrades, final upgrades, upgraded your Toshiba voltage regulator in there as well. All my audio mods. This thing's ready to rock and roll. Got it matched up with this static 636L mic. Start with R power all the way down. 50 watt slug. There's 2 watts all the way down, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 4 pill or bigger. 17 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low. Slams a 50 watt slug. 250 watt slug in average. Top scale. Low. 70 bird. What's that mean for peak? Low audio. About 120 to 125 PEP. Alright, Jerry, she's a Truckerized Bama Namma Jamma. It's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get Truckerized today.